Hey, what's up, you guys? Tom is back with another LinScents video. Today, we give a special shout out to the small business. But before we get into that, just want to say thank you guys again. It is an honor to be playing on one of those electronic devices, whether it's that cell phone, that tablet, that laptop, that Macintosh, that brand new big screen TV, whether you watch me at home, at work, on a plane, a train, or an automobile. Maybe you're watching me right now at a hookah bar, getting those rings through, getting those poofs, puffs, passes, all that through, and you decide to watch me because it's not yet your turn to hit that hookah. However, and wherever you're watching me, it is an honor. If you guys are new to this channel, you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, comment, and like. Likes are very, very important. And likes are important because of what I do, give my honest opinions. Sometimes, I'm not to the big point yet. I don't get this from Creeds, and I don't get stuff from all these other different fragrance companies. I don't get stuff from Versace and Fragrance Net. They don't give me that stuff yet. But there's occasions when a small business takes out their time to send a fragrance to me. And he's already sent one fragrance to me, okay? Ocean Sunset, which, by the way, is a beautiful sunset beach-style fragrance with not too much coconut, not too much of that suntan lotion smell. Again, sometimes I like those colognes that got that ocean vibe, but I don't always want that smelling like a thing of sunscreen, okay? I don't want to smell coconutty. I don't want to smell like that. Just give me something maybe that's watery. Maybe a little citrus, maybe a little salt, maybe a little bit of sand, a little bit of green, and we're good to go. But anyways, he sent me, and I'm going to leave his description down below. You can check it out there. And he also has his own channel doing the reviews as well. And he's giving me plenty of shout outs in his videos. So definitely giving a shout out to you, Mr. Jeffrey. You know who you are. But he sent me a new one out of the blue. He sent this. Just got home today, and boom, it was in the mailbox. I didn't even know I was getting anything from him. So man, kudos to you. Big shout out, homie. You keep get in touch with me. I gotta give you something in return, okay? So get back to me. It will make it happen. But anyways, he sent me two fragrances, one a full bottle of it, and one he gave me a sample. So we will smell both of these right now. This one is that Carnal Desire. There's a few reviews out there, but this is the first time I am getting a hold of it. Now, from what I've seen, the little notes, I just read a quick little note breakdown. I think there's some coffee and some benzoins in here and all that other goofy stuff. You know, that stuff that no one's actually going to ask you, man, why do you smell like benzoin today? Have you ever got that? I've never got that. Ooh, you know what? Smell a little bit like heliotrope. Never had that before, okay? So, not going to read all those notes. I've seen some coffee in there and maybe some benzoins and some other stuff. But he sent that again, that Carnal Desire. And then he also sent me a sample of this Dark Horse. And kudos to you for sending me in this awesome atomizer. And I can use this when I get through with this, okay? But you seeing Dark Horse means I might have to wear this in the winter. So hopefully I can get some kind of wearing out of this soon. Again, this is the Midwest. It could be winter tomorrow for all I know. Anyways, let's get into this again. You guys see the background. You see the background, the bedroom. It started out this way. No, I didn't get kicked out of my house. No, the wall didn't get torn down. It is there, but I wanted to do something that brought me back to old school, because when I get things like this, a small business doing that, I just remember the time when I started small, when I was in a bedroom, only had like 10 subscribers, and then sure enough, I bribed all of you, and then you came on board. But anyways, it's all good. Anyways, let's get to this Carnal Desire. It's going to smell like a carnival. Maybe I'm going to smell like some sweets, fried butter. I don't know. Let's go. Nice atomizer. Shoots out plenty of juice. This kind of reminds me of, especially smelling in the air, like I think it's Cafe Intense, which is a very good fragrance in the air. It's sweet, it's kind of powdery, it's vanilla-y. Man, in the air, I can already smell it. I can already tell this is going to be a mass-pleasing, complimenting machine. This is going to get the attention. This is going to get the oohs and the ahs. Yes, this is going to smell good. Now, I think, again, I've smelled this before. I've smelled something similar. And again, I think it's like Cafe Intense. I actually did a video on, I think Mocha Wood is supposed to be a clone of that or something, or close to it. This is kind of what I'm getting in the air. This sweet, this woody, this spicy, this seductive. Again, I'm kind of getting like a little, I think there might be vanilla in here. It smells like that with every time I'm walking back and forth, I'm getting that. Smells great. Now, let me get close. Oh, it's got a, I'm not getting a huge coffee just yet. I'm kind of getting this, okay, this kind of fruity, sweet. Again, I think there is something, maybe if there was benzoins in here, there's something it's I'm not knowing what it is, but it smells good. Okay, I haven't smelled a gazillion benzoins in this journey just yet, but there's something in here. You know what? I know what it is now. Okay, I think this one, I don't think this is the one with the coffee in it. Maybe I could be wrong. But it has like this church incensey smell with these fruity undertones. That's what I'm getting. And I can see where that might be a little bit off-putting for some people when you get close to the skin, okay? If you've ever been to like one of those Catholic churches, they start boom, boom, boom. It's a good smell with some other stuff working with it. By itself, it's a horrible smell. But when you put this with it, it gives that sexy, seductive, badass DNA to this overall scent. I'm digging this. Again, in the air. It smells kind of fruity, smells kind of woody, smells kind of spicy. And again, I'm just kind of, now that I'm getting a little bit of that incense, which is very nice. Again, getting like this fruity incense undertone, a little bit sweet, not too much sweet. This is just right. This is a sexy motherfucker, if you know what I mean. And again, this is a truly beautiful fragrance. If you get a chance, get your hands on it. Worth every penny. Now, obviously, I got this for free, but I'd be definitely willing to pay for this fragrance. Man, this is nice. Carnal Desire. It's like an evil carnal desire. This isn't the friendly, you just come in here, you pay for the games, you pay for the rides, you pay for the food, and then you leave. This is that scary carnival. And when you go into, you pay for it, you get sucked in. The monsters start whooping your ass a little bit. You start fighting back. It's not like any other carnival because there's no food, there's no grease all over the place, there's no pigs. Unless there are people wearing pig heads, then there you go. This Carnal Desire, A1, man. Let me get to this Dark Horse. And again, one of those cool lipsticky, kind of just like, what is that, Fragrance Net and all those other ones, the scent birds and stuff, that cool atomizers that twist and pop, twist, pop. This one you can pull. No, this one you can't pull out, I don't think. Okay, so, okay, we've seen that. Okay, there is a blooper. Okay, that is all right, though, because I still like that. That's cool. Now, maybe, let's see. Let's see if you can change this out. Just to see, because I don't want you guys coming at me be like, oh, he broke my thing. Okay, so I don't think so, but you can twist it open, and then there it is. So here we go. Dark Horse, wearing that dark t-shirt. Boom. Let's go over here with this one. Again, nice, beautiful spray. Almost like, that's how the stuff... Man, this is bomb. Now, I can't tell if it's because I sprayed this and I got a little bit of that other fragrance wafting in the air still. But, man, when I just sprayed this, whoa. This is seductive in a bottle. Both of those are seductive in a bottle. One a little bit more playful because there's like these fruity undertones. This one is more, I am going to take you. This is what Mr. 50 Shades of Grey was wearing, because look, sometimes you can look rich, you can look good, but if you don't smell good, that woman ain't gonna keep coming to you. So he must have been wearing something like this, 50 Shades of Grey, Mr. Grey, whatever the hell his name is, I don't know what the hell his name is. He must have been wearing something like this, because this screams, get at me Now, this stuff, ooh, that's nice. You know what? I don't even want to talk about what I'm smelling. I don't even want to talk about the notes and stuff like that. Okay, I could be wrong. The last one could have had coffee. This one could have had coffee. I do not care. Okay, because at the end of the day, when you wear these fragrances, okay, and even when they make you smell good, when you feel good, when you know you're wearing it, you know it. The reason you're gonna say, "Man, I love what I'm wearing today," is because it smells good. You're not gonna say to anybody, "I chose this because there's that one note in there that I really love." We don't, you know what? You don't even need to know about notes, you guys. If fragrance smells good, if it gets you a reaction, if it gets a reaction like this when you first smell it, that is all that matters at the end of the day. And this, oh man, I don't know. I'm telling you guys the truth. I'm not trying to hype him up. I'm not trying to do any of that. He doesn't need it. He's a good guy. He's got plenty of reviews as well. So he's got followers. He's got this. So he doesn't need no one to kiss up to him, okay? This is the honest truth. This thing smells amazing. Smoky, dark. Doesn't have that, it's a slight sweetness, okay? Like sweet that you would get because sometimes when you eat something that's it's not supposed to be sweet, but you just get like, it's almost like, for instance, you take a bite of that bread from Cheesecake Factory. Even though you're not tasting a pound of sugar, there's just something in the background that says it's just a little sweet. You get that little sweet sense in your mouth. This is the same I get with here. Smoky, woody, dark, just a slight sweet. Just to say, hey, I'm here just a little bit. And I think there's a touch of sweet that's the reason why this is more enticing than just a regular fragrance that is that hardcore, dark, earthy, leathery, smoky, all that. There's just a touch of sweetness in here that says, hey, I'm sexy, but I'm also inviting. And then once you get here, I'm going to yank your ass and take your ass. Okay, this is the one, you guys. This smells great. Again, I'm not going to go over all the damn notes. I'll put it on the screen as this thing is getting sprayed. I'll do that if you guys need that. But man, this smells so dang good. And with this going on, this is also another fragrance. I think if you layer this with some kind of fragrance that has a nice, beautiful, fruity opening, like maybe take this, you spray a little bit of that Dolce & Gabbana, a little bit of that grapefruit, get that nice, sweet, citrusy fruit involved. I think, man, this is going to be so magical. I'm going to try it. But as is, this thing is a beast. Beautiful, amazing, great fragrance. With that being said, I'm going to get up out of here, man. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the reaction. Mr. Jeffrey, again, thank you again. It is an honor to be smelling these things without even knowing. That is the beauty of that. Coming home, not expecting anything. Dogs jumping up on you. Man, they do that all the time. But you don't get a free package every time. And Mr. Jeffrey, thank you. Thank you again. You guys go check out these fragrances. Again, that description will be left down below. I'll also link it somewhere on the screen. Sometime in this video, if you get this far, you'll see it. If you've seen it before, I'll put it in the beginning too. And again, I'll put some notes in here, but I'm going to get up out of here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. And if you guys did, hit the likes, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace. Yeah.